Hello guys, this is my Prusa, and today we are gonna be benchmarking it by printing the legendary Benchy. The 3D Benchy. What is it, why is it so popular to print, and how can we use it to improve our 3D printer? Let's find out together, as today I will be downloading, printing, and benchmarking my printer with a 3D Benchy. Let's go! Alright guys, so the first step is we go to Printables by Prusa and let us search for 3D Benchy. And there we have it. As you can see here, it's an Creative Tools 3D Benchy is a 3D model specifically designed for testing and benchmarking 3D printers. And that is what we are gonna do today. We are gonna download. Okay, we have here 3D Benchy. Then we drag it over to our slicer. Ooh, it's over here now, guys. It's in Mr. Slicer now. We are gonna be using 0.15 mm quality, Esun Green PLA, 5% infill. Then we click on slice, export the G code to our USB, and now we are ready to print. Let's go! I hope you guys enjoyed that short little music video, and if you did, please like and subscribe, and let's go check the model out. Alright guys, here we have Mr. Benchy. It's looking pretty good actually. I like it. I like what I'm seeing, but there's a little bit of stringing as you can see here, but we can honestly disregard that, guys. This Prusa has done its job well. It has printed this Benchy clearly and legibly. Let's check the back side. It's kind of hard to read with this green color, but I think I can make it out. 3D Benchy. Can you make it out, guys? And from the bottom side, CT3D.xyz. Perfectly readable. So that means my bed is, leveled, and it's okay. And from this angle here, we can see the holes are clearly opened. You can see that. The hull is perfect, yes. The holes are not damaged. The arches are good. The hull line is clear. And the roof or the chimney is perfect. Man, I'd give this model an 8.5/10. So what do you think about my Benchy, guys? What score would you rate it? For me personally, I'd give it an 8.5/10. But I want to hear from you guys. I want to hear what you say. So please leave a comment down below. And thank you for watching. Peace.